is happening, everybody? It is Whoa Daddy back in action with Mr. Saucy. And today we are going to be unboxing the Alakazam EX collection Scarlet Violet 151 Pokemon cards. What are your expectations?
Well, I remember from the original Pokemon series that the cards, if they were compared to nowadays cards, they wouldn't be good at all. But they made OG cards very powerful and good to use in the actual game.
Great artwork. We love that.
Yes.
And we'll probably get some more hollows.
Yes,
some people don't like that because they feel like, oh, I pulled a hollow, but now they're putting hollows in every pack. It's not as exciting. But I like them. They look good. You know what I mean? And we pulled this for $20 at our local Target. And thanks to gift cards from some of our wonderful students who may be out there watching. So we appreciate all that you do. And we're going to just get right into this. So let's get into the collection station and check it out. What is up, everybody? We are back in the collection station, newly arrived. We got Pikachu V here for good luck. We got a whole bunch of cases because I think we're going to pull something good. So we're going to go ahead and start by unboxing this Alakazam EX collection. Slide this out, and very nice. So we get to start off with a few bonus cards, which is always nice, especially get a little trio like that. And then for all y'all who like Pokemon Live, go ahead, scan that code. You can feel free to use it up. We'll go ahead and I like the holo cards, you know, even if it's something simple like an Abra, something shiny, nice, you can show your kids. And the artwork is just phenomenal, so keep them nice for your collection. We got a Kadabra, the Abracadabra, and then on top we got the really nice Alakazam EX. That's a cool piece of artwork right there. All right, so let's get down and busy. And which one are we going to do first? I'm going to start on the bottom left. We're going to go ahead and split this guy down the middle, see what we end up with. My goodness, they're sealing up some niceys in here. So we're going to go ahead and code card for everyone out there. Let's see, 2, 3, I'm going to do 3. And we start off with a nice Lickitung and an Electrode. Little hollows, we got some basic energy, a Kakuna, a Poliwag, Ponyta, Pikachu, War Turtle. That's a cool artwork with the little sunset there. Ooh, a little Hypno, walking through the street. A little Poliwrath. And then, oh, nice, we finished off with the Geodude. So we'll put them in there and move on to the next pack. I'm going to slide it over to the right. I'm going to get one for the cases. So let's see what we can come up with. My. There we go. I am not the most graceful with these big packs. Let's see what we can get in there. Boom, there we go. Code card for everybody. All right, go 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll flip 4 this time. We got the Rhyhorn. Oh, look at that. That's what I like. I love a little full art. We got the War Turtle there. We're going to go ahead and drop him in a little sleeve. Put him over with the gang. We got Kabutops, some basic energy, a Farfetch, some Old Amber, Pidgeotto, Magmar, Pidgeot. Oh, nice. We got a little duo there. Something fun for the collection. Omanite. Tauros. Used to drive a Ford Tauros back in the day. We'll flip over there. Now, let's see. We went across. Let's go start on the right this time. See if that changes our luck somehow. And we're going to go ahead and get this corner out. Somebody needs to make a fun opening video on how to get these packs out in like a pinch. All right, let's see. There we go with the Redeemer there. We'll throw that aside. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip them over. We'll start off with a Zubat. That's a fun one. And a Skyzer. I think I see something good here. We got Chansey. So we got 3 right off the back. And a little basic energy. We We got a Porygon, Electabuzz, another Rhyhorn. So look at that. That's where the artwork comes in kind of fun. Look, we got the nice one, and then we got the giveaway. We got Tangela, a Dugong, a Seeking, and good old Hitmonchan, like he's training on an island. All right, last pack. Let's see if we can top off something good after getting that War Turtle early on. Go ahead and shake this one out. It's the best opening right there. So, feeling good about this one. And we'll flip over the code card for everyone. And scooch that out the way. 2, 3, 4. Start off with the goodies. And what do we got? Eradicate, a Tentacruel, and a Marowak. That's a cool artwork, though. I have to say, I really like all these hollows that they give you. Adds a little shine. We got a cute little Weedle there. We got a duplicate Zubat, a Goldeen, a Weeping Bell, Daisy's Help. That'll be a fun one to draw on the channel. A Venomoth, a Rapidash. Ooh, I like that artwork. And our basic energy. So, all in all, some fun pulls. Best one today. I like the War Turtle. I like the EX that they sent with it. We'll get all those into the collection box. So, leave a comment of what Pokemon you'd like me to draw next. Like and subscribe for more action. And have a fantastic Saturday evening.